Hello and welcome back. This Derek Jester again down in the basement, and today we're going to be opening up some packages. Just got them in the mail. This here, not sure exactly what it is. It's fragile. Wait a second, I think I know what that is. Anyway, because the return addresses look a little weird on it. What I'm really excited about is this box here from Amazon. Yeah. So I'm pretty excited about that one. I'm going to give you a heads up, or I'm going to unbox that one for you. First of all, let's get this little guy out. I think it's a little guy, actually. So let's open that up. I'm going to try to put you up here. The blade's so dull it works backwards. Oh, would you look at that? It's Mark Martin. Because I wasn't sure when this was coming in. Some of his stats. Because Valvoline is currently running a support system where if you buy 5 or more quarts of oil of Valvoline, they'll send you a bobblehead of your choice. You had Mark Martin, Al Jr., and another individual, I cannot remember his name, to choose from. So, pretty cool. I wasn't expecting that. Anyway, Valvoline's what I run in my cars. Especially ever since I had that engine spinner rod bearing. I do believe that's what happened. Anyway, let's get to opening this bigger box. This other one. So I'm just going to leave it, well, I'm going to clear me off the spot on the table. Put my Mark Martin right there. Check that out. It'll look pretty cool up there on top of my trophy case. Anyway, cardboard box. Let's clear off a spot to put this. So I'm going to kind of set y'all right there. Anyway, hope everybody's been doing well. Yeah. Now let's get this box. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so awesome. So great, because I've finally bit the bullet and done this. Though I probably shouldn't have, but what's it gonna hurt? So anyway, I'm gonna set y'all back up here again. Here we go. And we got another box. Made in China. Ooh. But, get that out of the way. Ha 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 ha. What did I do? What did I do? Alright. Being as my other knife is so darn dull, we're going to start using Big Boy. Pocket Bushman from Cold Steel. It's still pretty dull too. Now, cut that tab on off so I can get to it. I know we got time for that. A little leather tassel that I made, a little tether, so you can even close the darn thing. Anyway, what have we here? I'm going to try to get that a little bit better. Better viewing. There we go. Looks like an instruction manual. Yeah, user manual. Uh-oh. I don't see English in here yet. Numbers. Oh, here we go. Well, it's the very first that's English. Neato, petito. Put that up there, right there. Right now. Open that up. Really cool styrofoam packaging. I've never seen an extruded piece of styrofoam before. Little USB drive. That's cool. Hey, look, they gave us some test pieces. Wood and cardboard. That's neat. In case you're still wondering what it is, look, we got a power cable. Hot dog, look at that. Itsy bitsy. Anyway, what else we got? We got a USB cable. Yeah, micro USB. Got some hardware and a little screwdriver. Don't know what that's for. Might be for this, for all I know. A little piece of green acrylic. Or plexi, I don't know. Something transparent. It's plasticized. Anyway, I'm so excited. I really am. Because this looks amazing already. So I bought this. And we just got a little card for something, I don't know. Bought this in all intentions of using it for leather work. It's a 3,000 kilowatt laser. Let me pull it up for you and I'll show you directly on Amazon. Look at this little baby. Alright, anyway. I was so excited when I ordered it. No, did I say kilowatt? Milliwatt. 3,000 MW. Here it is on Amazon. So, yeah. I was pretty excited to see it for that price too. I mean, that's the price that I paid that you just saw. It's Amazon Prime, so I got it in no time. And really hadn't seen anybody talk about these. There's good reviews on this one. Yeah, that piece of green glass will go in there like that to shield you from looking at the laser. You still got your side openings. Look at that, even a little fan in the back. Take that acrylic out. Fan in the back to help cool it. Then you got your laser. Blow out all the styrofoam packaging that's still in there. This looks pretty neat. I like it so far. Anyway, I'm going to run through the instruction manual right quick, get this thing set up, and I'll bring you right back when we get ready to burn something. Alright, so got it out of the box. Got the green screen on the front. Looks pretty neat. On this side is where your power and then your cable hookup for the computer are. Right here. Alright, I just put in the USB stick that comes with it. Here we are prompted with this. This is just, you know, as soon as you open it up. And got a demonstration video. Would you look at this? And we've already done this. So continue on here. It takes no time. Anyway, here we go. Here we go. Okay, plug it in. Plug that in. Oh, I done that in reverse order then. I USB'd it first. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 50-50 chance of always getting that right? Anyway, open up the USB. Driver. Ooh. Oh, I hope this is in English. I can't read any other language, like no lie, like no other language. So, I don't know if they know what they're doing. Oh, look at that. Software, cool. Anyway, so I guess I'll go ahead and hook the computer to this. Look at that. They're doing a Lexus logo. Oh my goodness. There you go. This is focusing it. I've read the instructions, believe that or not. You gotta focus it to some point. They don't show what's going on with that. They're printing. Look at that. Boom. Oh, that's cool. It's showing like where it's gonna be. Alright. Showing like that's gonna be the area. Then you start. Okie doke. Where'd that thing go? That's why you always want to wear the green screen or have the filter in front of you. Well, ain't that something? Anyway, this is pretty well straightforward. And then you can, looking through the instruction manual, you can add text, pictures and all. And some of these actually look really cool that you can do, like some of the photos that they've done here. And yeah, I've got some leather sampling tests that I'm going to perform with. But yeah, I mean, this is one of the things that you can do just a straight black and white discrete mode, which is kind of grainy. And then you can do a gray pattern. Now look at that, that's pretty smooth there. So, you can really play around with this. Alright, go in and start working with it, I reckon. Hey, they give you some test photos. Look at this. Going to change this around. Oh man, we got trolls. You know, not like trolls. We got just troll. Wait, hang on. I know what I'm thinking it is. Oh, never mind. It's Big Bang Theory. I thought it was like Seinfeld or something. Got excited there for a second. Oh, Ferrari. Oh man, we got my Coca-Cola. Granted, it's not gonna be colored, but sweet. I'm gonna do some wicked stuff with this thing. We got Snoopy, Converse, Neato. Look at this. Ain't this just cool? New Balance, McLaren, Rolex. Well, ain't that just neat? Now that would be amazing. That's an amazing looking pattern. Wow. Anyway, I know what you're thinking. Get on with the burning. I'm going to get this set up and we'll go. Hey, I don't know what I'm saying. We're going to get it set up. We're just going to go straight into it. Boom. Anyway, like I said, well, we're going to hit a test piece first. So, driver. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. So, oh, we just had something pop up. What's up here? Might not have installed correctly. Ooh. Try reinstalling it. Well, it says it was installed correctly, so there we go. Laser etching machine. An application. Here we go. Look at this. Wow, y'all. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead now and plug up. I already have the USB cable plugged into it, or into the laptop at least. Go ahead and plug it in over here. Put y'all down so I can do this with both hands. And then I've already got the power cable hooked up, so I'm just going to plug that in. Here you can hear it turn on. Also says that not to let it run for more than 30 minutes, otherwise it may overheat. So we're not going to run it no more than 30 minutes. And I don't know if you can, well, let me zoom you in. That's where they're talking about the laser, where it needs to be adjusted. And that's one thing that I really liked about this one, is an open bottom. There is no bottom to it. That's my workbench. Bench, or tabletop. That way I can burn straight onto my bench if I wanted to. If I wanted to have a neat little design on it, like maybe have some measuring units or whatnot on it, I could do that. Now let's see if we can adjust this. Alright, I'm editing another video right here, right quick. Okay, so it said adjust to the maximum size, and there I've got it pretty big as compared to what it was. I'm not sure if that's right, but we're gonna give it a shot with that. I'm gonna use a little piece of this wood that come with it. I'm just gonna throw that in there right quick. See how large that is? Oh, let me get y'all put around in here. Anyway, I'm gonna kind of square that up some. And we're gonna go in here. I'm just gonna open up a file. Let's see. Flipping. Oh wow, look, they got a few little things in here. We're gonna import a picture. And we're just gonna go ahead and find this removable disc. Here we go. Let's see, what have we here? We're gonna it will be a good little test piece. I don't want to overwork it right now. Just kind of warm it up a little bit. I'm gonna go with Coca-Cola. How about that? And there it is. The logo. Frame positioning, back to starting point, back to center. Oh, here we go. We can device is connected. Uh-oh. Something not working here. Oh. I believe we're homing out the machine. Yeah, we're homing it out. I don't know what it's doing, per se. Okay, I think that might have been just like a warm-up, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, disconnect that. And then we'll reconnect it. I heard the... Alright, so frame positioning, I don't know. Oh, attached device. That's it. Ta-da! Up here, attach device and disconnect device now. I don't know why. It was in the video. It was in the video and I didn't do it. Anyway, we're gonna position it. Alright, see that? Now we're seeing where it's gonna place it so we can position our material where we want it. I think that right there will work. Just a little logo at the bottom. Alright, okay, so we stop that. And we're gonna go for it. We're gonna send it right now. Start it up. Got this little progress bar and everything. Here we go. Look at here. Look at it up on the wall. Wow. Yeah, I'm glad we didn't have our, or we left the shield on there. Anyway, I'll bring you back whenever it's done doing its thing. Pretty cool so far. Alright, so we're back. You had a little readout how long it took to do it. And you can see there it took only 3 minutes and 14 seconds. That ain't too bad. The total area where this can burn is only like a 3" by 3". It's just a little bit under that actually. It just has finished up. I still haven't even looked to see what it looks like. So we're gonna slide it out and it didn't do anything. Would you look at that? So I will stick it back in there and try another method. I believe we will readjust the laser again and see if maybe a readjustment on this will fix it. Let's see now. I'm just gonna turn this off right quick and I'll be right back. I readjusted it to get it to a small pinpoint. I'm gonna square this back up again. Alright, we're gonna frame position it again. I can kind of see you can see the edge as well. See where it's gonna be at. Kind of do that right there. Alright, now we're going to stop that. Go in and hit start again. Be 3 minutes. We'll get back to you. How about that? Alright, so it's about time we finally got it straightened out. Ended up what my problem was, I just didn't have it focused correctly. And then also took the depth adjustment of engraving. I put it up to 100, so it spent a little bit longer. That one was 5 minutes 27 seconds long for that print, or for that duration. Anyway, it finally did work. This is like my 5th try. And here we go, look at that. And that would be a neat little coaster just like that right there. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. So now I'm going to get some more stuff, just some stuff put in there. May end up keep playing around with this logo here on my test pieces. Like I said, I originally purchased this with all intent of using it on leather. I just got some scrap pieces here. I've got different things set up to test with, such as my antiquing. I have that. This one here only has antiquing on it. This one has antiquing and Resin. This one here has only Resin on the end, and then it has some EcoFlow Color paint on the end there. That is uncovered. And then right here is just some chocolate pro dye. All my finishes are Fibings. I think that's how you say the name. And that's just the chocolate dye. There's no cover on that. There's no Resin on this either. So anyway, we're gonna test on them next. Alright, so we're back. Finally, I got it straightened out. Like I said, just done the depth adjustment of engraving to 100. That worked out pretty well. I kept with the same logo through all my tests, and all the other settings, or all the settings, I left the same for this test. For the leather, it continued to work out properly. That was for the scrap piece of wood that comes with it, and I've still got a couple pieces cardboard, and then a whole another piece of wood too. I think right there would look pretty good. It's just a coaster alone. But anyway, so here we have our tests, which I believe turned out quite nice. Let's go with the worst first. It actually looks pretty good on camera, but in person it doesn't look that good. Granted, it's not level. I couldn't get this piece to really straighten out once it dried up, but it's not too bad. You can still see the logo pretty good. And that was with just the Fibings chocolate pro dye. There was no sealer on that. Alright, and then we have our first one, which is the Fibings dark brown antique leather stain. And it turned out very nicely. So, using this system, I really like it. I believe I'm going to do pretty well with it in my future work. Anyway, here we have the next one, Resin, on top of that antiquing. It's just sealed. So it's got kind of a shine to it, and that looks really good. I really do like that. Now granted, you are taking and burning into it, so it's not going to be like, oh wow, it's so great. It still looks good. It's not going to be the smoothest of them all. Now this one here is just the Resin alone. And I think that turned out really nice. You see I didn't properly clean the leather before, so it kind of fish-eyed the Resin, but I just wanted to see how it would look burning into it. And now the last one is the EcoFlow Color Red. I just kind of dabbled some red paint on there and burned across it just to see what it would look like. And I do like that too. So anyway, Coca-Cola, you're welcome for all the advertisement. Anyway, overall my final thoughts of it, I really like it. I'm really excited to start using it. It's super easy to use once you get it straightened out and figured out. But I believe we're going to have a lot of fun making different projects with this, and I can't wait to see what we can do in the future. Anyway, right now, of course, I've got it unplugged. We've been burning. I had to take a break halfway through, let they cool some. Don't want to overwork it, especially first time opening it up. Anyway, we'll see y'all next time. Be good.